What is it like working here at Volt Technologies?
Volt Technologies is an AI-native Microsoft partner, and we're really operating on the tip of the spear with cutting-edge technology.
We really have assembled a team of builders.
We have deep experience in the manufacturing, retail, apparel, physical goods, complex supply chain space.
Being surrounded with a lot of very competent, very caring people.
It's got a piece of my heart, to be totally honest.
There's never a dull moment with the people you work with.
Groundbreaking rock stars. It's really something special.
We truly believe that people are our biggest asset.
The type of person that really thrives at Volt is someone who is self-directed and self-led.
Place where you can grow with the company and be challenged.
So you really can help them grow into something bigger than they ever really dreamed they could be.
Because we're investing for the future. Our values are happy employees, happy customers, and great results.